Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we will be covering the solution of RRB Pharmacist exam question paper 2015. This is part 3rd of our series. So if you missed part 1 and 2nd, be sure to check it out. The link in the right in the description below. Let's get started. Question number 41. The dipole number of chromosomes in the human body is option A 24, option B 40, option C 46, option D 48. Correct answer is option C 46. In humans, somatic cells contains 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, making them dipole. Half comes from the mothers and half come from fathers. Okay, next question is question number 42. The largest cell in the human body is option A nerve cells, option B muscle cells, option C liver cells, option D kidney cells. Correct answer is option A nerve cells. The nerve cells is the longest and largest cell in the human body, and muscle cells are larger but not the longest. Okay, and liver cells are the smaller than the neurons and mainly helps in the detoxifications. And kidney cells are responsible for filtering blood but are smaller than neurons. Next question. Lichens are formed due to symbiotic associations of option A moss and fungi, option B bacteria and fungi, option C algae and fungi, option D none of these. Moss is a plant, does not form lichen, and some bacteria live with fungi, but lichen always involved with algae. So correct answer is option C algae and fungi. Lichens are a relationship between algae and fungi. The algae produce food by photosynthesis, while the fungi provide structure and absorb water. Next question. Insects from the largest class of animals living on land and sea. They are grouped into option A 22 orders, option B 26 order, option C 29 order, and option D 32 order. Correct answer is option C 29 order. Next question. Question number 45. Which of the following statement is true for plankton? Option A. They live on the surface of lake water. Option B. They live on the bottom of the lake. Option C. They live in the plant growing in water. And option D. They live in the water column. So correct answer is option D. They live in the water column. Next question. Which of the following has the smallest egg? Correct answer is option B. Hummingbirds. The hummingbird lays the smallest egg among the birds. Its egg is about the size of pea and weight around 0.5 gram. Next question. The population of which of the following is maximum on the earth? Option A reptiles, option B fishes, option C birds, option D beetles. Correct answer is option D beetles. Beetles form the largest group of insects, making 40% of all insect species. Next question. Poison glands of snakes are homologs to option A, stings of rays, option B, salivary glands of vertebrate, option C, electric organ of fishes, option D, sebaceous gland of mammals. Correct answer is option B, salivary gland of vertebrate. The poison glands of snakes involved the salivary glands. In other vertebrate, these glands secreted venom, which is modified salivary containing toxic proteins. Next questions. The phylum Chordata is characterized by the presence of option A spinal cord, option B notochord, option C nerve cord, and option D none of these. Correct answer is option B notochord. Next question. Which of the following activities is suppressed by the presence of auxins in plants? Option A growth of lateral buds, option B salsons, option C rutinations, and option D development of leafy fruit. Correct answer is option A growth of later buds. Next question. The head of hospital pharmacy should be A. Option A. Postgraduate in science. Option B. Postgraduate in pharmacy. And option C. Diploma in pharmacy. Option D. Graduate in analytical chemistry. Correct answer is option B. Postgraduate in pharmacy. Next question. The emergency box in a hospital contains life-saving drugs such as option A adrenaline, option B tincture option C aspirin, option D glucosills. Correct answer is option A adrenaline. Adrenaline is a life-saving drug used in severe allergic reactions, cardiac arrest and asthma attack. Next question. Question number 53. This structure plays an important role in the chemical control of breathing. Option A hypothalamus, option B carotid body, option C pons, option D diaphragmatic stretches receptor. Hypothalamus regulate body temperature, not breathing, and pons help control breathing rhythm but not chemical control. So correct answer is option B carotid body. Carotid body is a small cluster of chemoreceptors located in the carotid arteries that detect change in blood oxygen, carbon dioxide, and pH level. It helps regulate breathing rate by sending signals to the brain. Next question. The following is an example of physiological antagonism. Option A, deuterbocurins and neostigmine. Option B, histamine and adrenaline. Option C, noradrenalines and phenothamine. And option D, barium chloride and papaverine. What is physiological antagonisms? Physiological antagonisms occur when two drugs produce opposite effect on the same physiological function. Okay, so correct answer is option B, histamine and adrenaline. Histamine causes vasodilatations and bronchoconstriction, while adrenaline causes vasoconstrictions and bronchodilations. Okay, histamine effects and detuberculins and neostigmines, they have competitor antagonism mechanisms, and noradrenalines and phenolphthalein example of receptor blockage, and barium chloride and papaverines works on the muscles relaxation but are not a physiological antagonists. Next question. Question number 55. Histamine is released from option A eosinophils, option B platelets, option C basophils, option D neutrophils. Eosinophils help in the parastatic infection, do not release histamine, and platelets help in the blood clotting, not in histamine release, and neutrophils fight bacterial infection, not involved in the histamine release. So correct answer is option C, basophils. Basophils are the type of white blood cells that release histamine during allergic reaction. Histamine causes inflammation, itching, and vasodilations. Next question. Question number 56. This drug exhibits tachyphylaxis. Option A methadone, option B thyroxine, option C neostigmine, and option D ephedrine. So correct answer is option D, ephedrine. Tachyphylaxis is a condition where repeated use of drug leads to a rapid decrease in its effect. Ephedrine is a congestant and stimulant, loses its effectiveness quickly with repeated doses due to receptor desensitizations. Next question. This H1 antagonist does not produce sedations. Option A cetirizine, option B phenyramine maleate, option C promethazine, option C chlorpheniramine. Correct answer is option A, cetirizine. Cetirizine is a second generation H1 antagonist that does not cross the blood-brain barrier. And phenyramine malate's first generation antihistamine causes sedations, and promethazine's strong sedation effect, and chlorpheniramine also causes dizziness. Next question. This drug is preferred for induction of labor. Is correct answer is option C, oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone and drug that stimulates uterine contractions, making it the primary choice for inducing labor and controlling postpartum hemorrhage. Next question. This sulfonamide is used locally for the treatment of burns. Option A, sulfastamide. Option B, sulfaxylazine. Option C, sulfadizine. Option D, silver sulfadizine. So correct answer is option D, silver sulfadizine. Silver sulfadizine is a topical antibiotic used for burn wounds infection as it has antibacterial and antifungal property. Next question. The drug of choice for the treatment of anaerobes is option A, metrondazole, option B, gentamicin, option C, ciprofloxacin, option D, nitrofurantoin. So correct answer is option A, metrondazole. Metronidazole is a highly effective against anaerobic bacteria and used for bacterial infection. Next question. Question number 61. Phenytoin in sodium produce the following characteristics adverse effect. Option A, insomnia. Option B, lupus erythematosus. And option C, gingival hyperplasia. And option D, retinopathy. So correct answer is option C, gingival hyperplasia. Phenytoin sodium is an anti-epileptic drug used to treat seizure. And insomnia, phenytoin can sometimes causes drowsiness, not insomnia. Next question. This is the most suitable anticoagulant for preservation of blood for transfusion. Option A, sodium citrate. Option B, heparin. Option C, oxalic acid. And option D, sodium fluoride. Correct answer is option A, sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is used as an anticoagulant for blood preservation in blood bank. It is bind to calcium ions, preventing blood clotting without damaging blood cells. And heparin used in immediate anticoagulation but not for the long-term blood storage. And oxalic acid too toxic for human blood preservation. And sodium fluoride used to preserve glucose level in blood sample, not for transfusion. Next question. This drug produces active mydriasis when instilled in the eye. Option A, atropine. Option B, cyclopentolate. Option C, topisamide. And option D, ephedrine. Correct answer is option A, atropine. Atropine is an anti-chlorogenic drug that blocks muscarinic receptor, causing pupil dilations and paralysis of accumulations. Okay, and cyclopentolate causes mydriasis but shorter duration than atropine. And ephedrine mainly used in nasal decongestant, not for mydriasis. Next question is, the neurotransmitter released from preganglionic sympathetic nerve fibers. Option A, acetylcholine. Option B, norepinephrine. And option C, dopamine. Option D, epinephrine. Correct answer is option A, acetylcholines. Next question. The main function of the cerebellum is option A, temperature regulation. Option B, storage of memory. Option C, regulation of movement of involuntary muscles. And option D, regulation of respirations. So correct answer is option C, regulation of movement of involuntary muscles. Next question. The property that differentiates cardiac muscles from smooth muscles is option A, involuntary in nature. Correct answer is option D, automaticity and rhythmicity. Cardiac muscles are unique because they can control rhythmic without neuron stimulations. This is called automaticity. They also maintain a steady rhythms and due to SA node. Next question. Question number 67. This antibiotic is used for the treatment of tuberculosis and leprosy. Option A ciprofloxacin, option B neomycin, option C rifampin, and option D bezisterim. Ciprofloxacin used for bacterial infection but not TB or leprosy. And option B neomycin, neomycin used topically, not for the systemic TB treatment. So correct answer is option C. Rifampin is an anti-tubercular drug used to treat TB and leprosy by inhibiting RNA polymerase in bacteria, stopping their growth. And bezisterim used in the treatment of skin and eye infection, not TB and leprosy. Next question. This drug is useful in the treatment of chloroquine resistant malaria. Option A artemisinin, option B pyrimethamine. Correct answer is option A artemisinin. Next question. Question number 69. The hardness of water is primarily option A iron, option B calcium, option C zinc, option D sodium. Sodium present in soft water not responsible for the hardness, and iron discolor the water but does not causes hardness. So correct answer is option B calcium. Hard water is primarily caused by the calcium and magnesium ions. Next questions. These ions comes from the dissolved limestone rocks. Excessive doses of the following vitamin may be harmful. Option A thiamine, option B pyridoxine, option C ascorbic acid, option D vitamin A. Thiamine is a vitamin B1, water soluble. Pyridoxine is a vitamin B6. High doses can cause nerve damage but less harmful than vitamin A. Okay. And option C ascorbic acid is vitamin C, water soluble, exists in excreted in urine. So correct answer is option D vitamin A. Vitamin A can causes hypervitaminosis A, leading to liver damage, bone pain, nausea, dizziness, and birth defect in the pregnant woman. Next question. Which of the following is a epidemic disease? Option A malaria, option B AIDS, option C tuberculosis, option D plague. So correct answer is option D. Plague is an epidemic disease. Next question. This organism is a common causes of hospital acquired infection. Option A Entamoeba histolytica, and option B Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and option C Chlamydia trachomatis, and option D Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So correct answer is option B Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Pseudomonas aeruginosa is a hospital acquired infection causing pneumonia, UTI. Next question. This is an example of gram-negative bacteria. Option A Diplococcus pneumonia, option B Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option C Salmonella typhi, and option D Corynebacterium diphtheria. So correct answer is option C Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is a gram-negative bacteria responsible for typhoid fever. Okay, it has a thin peptidoglycan layer and an outer lipid membrane makes it gram-negative. And Diplococcus pneumonia is a gram-positive bacteria. And Mycobacterium tuberculosis acid fast, not gram-negative. Okay, and Corynebacterium diphtheria is a gram-positive, causes diphtheria. Only Salmonella typhi is a gram-negative bacteria. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is associated with the synthesis of coagulation factor? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin E, option D vitamin K. So vitamin A is important for the vision and skin health, not for blood clotting. Okay, and vitamin C is important for the immunity, collagen synthesis, not for the coagulation. And vitamin E is an antioxidant but does not help in the blood clotting. So correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Next question. Which bond is a present in the primary structure of protein? Option A, ester bond. Option B, disulfide bond. Option C, it's ionic bond. And option D, peptide bond. So correct answer is option D, peptide bond. Protein are made of amino acids linked by the peptide bond, which form the primary structure of protein. And ester bond is found in the lipids, not protein. And disulfide bond found in tertiary structure, not the primary. Okay. And ionic, this is ionic. Ionic bond help in the protein folding, not primary structure. Next question. The leading causes of death in an obese person is option A, diabetes mellitus, option B, heart disease, option C, cerebral hemorrhage, and option D, hypertension. Correct answer is option B, heart disease. Obesity increases the risk of heart disease because of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and fat accumulation in arteries. It can lead to heart attack and stroke, making it the leading causes of death in the obese person. So correct answer is option B, heart disease. Next question. Histones are option A, carbohydrate, option B, basic protein, option C, lipids, option D, enzymes. Correct answer is option B, basic proteins. Histones are basic proteins found in the nucleus of cell. They help in the DNA packaging by wrapping DNA around them to form chromatin, which is initials for the gene regulations. And carbohydrates, these are the sugar, do not help in the DNA packaging. And lipids are the fats, do not interact with DNA. Okay, and enzymes are biological catalysts, but histone does not work as enzyme. Next question. Barford solution is not reduced by option A, glucose, option B, mannose, option C, sucrose, option D, ribose. Correct answer is option C, sucrose. Barford test is used to differentiate between monosaccharide and disaccharide. It gives a positive result with monosaccharides like glucose, mannose, ribose, but does not react with sucrose as it's non-reducing sugar. Okay, and glucose is a reducing sugar that gives a positive Barford test, and mannose is a reducing sugar that react with the Barford solutions. Okay, and ribose is another reducing sugar that gives a positive result. Next question. Question number 18. Beta-lactam antibiotic is option A, bezistersine, option B, tetracycline, option C, it's amoxicillin, and option D, thiamphenicol. So correct answer is option C, amoxicillin. Beta-lactam antibiotics example is amoxicillin, penicillin. They inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis, making them effective against gram-positive bacteria. And bezistersine is a polypeptide antibiotic, not a beta-lactam. Okay, and tetracycline is a broad spectrum, but not a beta-lactam. And thiamphenicol is a chloramphenicol derivatives, not a beta-lactam. Next question. An alkaloid used as local anesthetic is option A, procaine, option B, benzocaine, option C, cocaine, and option D, lidocaine. So correct answer is option C, cocaine. Cocaine is a natural alkaloid obtained from the leaves of the coca plant. It is powerful local anesthetic that blocks the impulses by inhibiting sodium channel. And procaine is a synthetic local anesthetic less potent than cocaine, and benzocaine used in topical anesthetic cream not as potent as cocaine, and lidocaine is a commonly used anesthetic but not an alkaloid. Next question is, solvent used in the extraction process are called as option A extract, option B menstruum, option C mark, option D all of these. So correct answer is option B menstruum. Extract the final product obtained from after extraction, and mark the leftover solid material after extraction is mark. Next question. Kijelgur can be used as a option A disintegrant, option B binder, option C glidant, option D filtrate. Correct answer is option D filtrate. Kinjulgar is a porous material used as filtration to improve the clarity of liquid in pharmaceutical and food industries. Next question. Question number 84. Give the composition of Bactrim. Option A sulfadiazine and methoxytrate. Option B sulfadiamide and trimethoprim. Option C sulfamethoxazoles and theophylline. Option D sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. So correct answer is option B sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim, used to treat bacterial infection like urinary tract and respiratory infection. And sulfadiazines and methoxytrate used in the arthritis and cancers, not bacterial infection. And sulfadiamide and trimethoprim not a standard composition for Bactrim. Okay, and sulfamethoxazoles and theophylline. Theophylline is for asthma, not for the bacterial infection. Okay, next question. Cyanocobalamin is used in the treatment of option A megaloblastic anemia, option B cancer, option C viral fever, option D inflammation. Correct answer is option A megaloblastic anemia. Cyanocobalamin is a vitamin B12 which is initial for the RBC formation. Deficiency lead to megaloblastic anemia characterized by the large immature RBC. Okay, next question. In the preparation of powder, starch is used as a option A binder, option B filler, option C disintegrant, and option D lubricant. So correct answer is option C disintegrant. Next question. Membrane filter used for sterilize filtration are rated as option A 0.5 to 0.75 microns, option B 0.2 to 0.45 microns. So correct answer is option B 0.22 to 0.45 microns. Sterilize filter is used to remove bacteria and microorganisms from liquid. 0.22 micron filter is commonly used in the pharmaceuticals. Next question. Question number 88. Chewable tablet do not contain option A sweetening agent, option B diluent, option C disintegrant, and option D flavor. The correct answer is option C disintegrant. Chewable tablet do not need disintegrant because they are chewed before swelling. Next question. And in the chewable tablet, use sweetening agent to improve taste, and dilute used to increase tablet size, and flavor used to improve taste and acceptability. An opacifier used in the high gelatin capsule is option A mineral oils, option B propylparaben, option C titanium dioxide, option D gelatin. So correct answer is option C titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is a white pigment used to make gelatin capsule opaque and protecting drug from the light exposure. Okay, Minerals oil used as a lubricant, not an opacifier. And propyl paraben is a preservative, not an opacifier. Next question. Question number 19. Occutes are used to deliver a drug in option A ear, option B nose, option C eye, option D gastrointestinal tract. So correct answer is option C eye. Occutes are small controlled release drug delivery system used in the eye. They release medication gradually over a long period, commonly for treating glaucoma. Next question. Question number 91. An example of natural hydrocolloid is option A cellulose, option B pectin, option C lactose, option D precipitated chalk. So correct answer is option B pectin. Pectin is a natural hydrocolloid obtained from the fruits like apple, and it is commonly used as a gelling agent in jams and jellies. Next question. The tablet of tetracycline should manufactured as per the condition specified in schedule. Option A F, option B schedule C, option C schedule C1, option D schedule X. So correct answer is option C schedule C1. Schedule C1 of the Drug and Cosmetic Act contain antibiotics like tetracycline requiring strict manufacturing and storage conditions. Schedule F related to the vaccine and serum, and schedule X deals with the habit forming drugs. Okay, and schedule C include other biological product but not the tetracycline. Next question. Which distribution system is used in a hospital to save time, to minimize loss of partially used drug, and to enable the pharmacist to do their task of drug counseling to patient? Option A individual prescription order system, option B complete floor stock system, option C unit dose system, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C unit dose system. Next question. In what ratio should twin 80 HLB16 and SPEN 20 HLB4 can be mixed to prepare a blend of HLB 7.0? So correct answer is option B 1:3. Next question. The manpower trained in pharmacy works with the site of the hospital. If the hospital has 200 beds, number of pharmacists required are the number of pharmacists required in the hospital with 200 bed is 8. Option C is correct. Next question. TQM stands for option A total quantity management, option B total quality management, option C total qualification management, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B total quality management. TQM is a total quality management is a management approach focused on continuous improvement in product and service quality in all areas of the organizations. Next question. Question number 97. In Ayurvedic liquid preparations, Arka Yantra is used for option A distillation, option B size reduction, option C size separation. Question number 97. In Ayurvedic liquid preparations, Arka Yantra is used for option A distillations, option B size reduction, option C size separation, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A distillation. In Ayurveda, Arka Yantra is a distillation apparatus used for the extracting volatile oil and medicinal liquid from herbal materials. Next question. Let likes be treated by likes is basic principle medicine. Option A Ayurvedic, option B homeopathy, option C Unani, and option D Siddh. Correct answer is option B homeopathy. Next question. Production of no urine is termed as option A, anuria, option B, oliguria, option C, polyuria, and option D, glycosuria. So correct answer is option A, anuria. Anuria is the absence of urine production which can be caused by kidney failure or severe dehydration. And last question. Somatostatin is secreted by which cells of the pancreas? Option A alpha, option B beta, option C gamma, option D delta. So correct answer is option D, delta. Somatostatin is secreted by delta cells of pancreas. It inhibits insulin, glucagon, and growth hormone secretion, helping in metabolic regulation. And beta secretes insulin, and gamma not involved in the somatostatin secretions. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for your preparations. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.